Yo, what's poppin'?
What's going on, Handsome Hat?
Mackin' on them, you already know.
Yo, tell the people where we at right now, B.
We on 55th, Polo, my hood.
Okay, home of the sour.
Feel me? Shout out to my nigga Cash Flow. Shout out to my nigga GM, aka Shilla.
Okay.
Shout out to my nigga Sun God,
Alright.
Jeezy. You feel me?
Alright, shout out to Super Chronic. Here we go, we about to get into this video.
Shout out to my nigga Ill too, all my VA niggas.
What's good?
You already know what it is. All my VA niggas know. Feel me? With that being said, we gonna get right into it.
You know it.
Feel me?
Yeah, though, yo. Good day out, you know. The grounds. Niggas in the hood. Music. Good weed. We out here, yo. Home of the sour.
Yeah, this shit good.
Definitely.
Yeah. Okay. Now it's Mac time. Let's go. Shout out to Swizz too. Shout out to D too. Fuck with D. Let's go. Every day, they ask why I do it. I told them, motherfucker, I'm a shooter. A shooter. A shooter shooter. A shooter shooter. I'm a shooter. A shooter shooter. Every day, they ask why I kill him. I said the little nigga wouldn't stop grilling. 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 Stop grilling. 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 I got my gat drawn with my hat on. First nigga chop front and his ass is gone. Every day niggas know that I be gripped up. I leave him cardboard box, stiffed up. If he be had boy like me, and you front on him, I'ma pull that thing. I mean, nigga fronted on Sunday, found out his ass dead Monday. Next day, they asked why I do it. I told them niggas, man, they better bulletproof it. I'm a shooter. I'm gonna shoot you. I put one in your medulla, do something to you. I'm not playing. These niggas must be higher. It must because we flyer. These niggas keep grilling, 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 grilling. Stop listening to J.R. Ryder. Cause that'll get your ass shot. These fake niggas got these bitches getting ass shots. You a Barbie, a fake nigga mascot. I just chill, puff weed and pass Glocks. Don't make me pull a weapon on you. If I'm stepping to you, then I'm probably stepping on you. That hat boy shit, I be reppin' on you. Let the Desert Eagle fly, them bullets get the pecking on you. Them bitches get the pecking on them. Cause I send a couple niggas get the decking on them. Treat this nigga like the gym and get the wrecking on them. Light them up, niggas have a session on them. They call me Mr. Smith with the Western on them. You know I draw quick like the Western on them. Put this nigga in box like a message on them. Soon as I get the texting on them.